located in a pouch under your seat or inside your footrest if you are seated in business class. If it is required, remove the life jacket from the pouch, place it over your head, pass the strap around your back, clip it at the front, and then pull on the loose strap to tighten. Only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tag. You can top up your life jacket by blowing into this mouthpiece. The jacket also has a whistle and a light to attract attention. There are emergency stowaway and flotation boxes accessible from each exit. By law, you must not tamper with or remove any aircraft equipment unless authorised. You must comply with any